Hello, good evening. My name is Steven Floyo, and I have successfully created my very first data streaming pipeline. Why to showcase my project, here is my document. I have used Apache Kafka, Spark, and Cassandra mostly. And for my guides, I have used this YouTube source. All of these installations come from a single YouTube channel called Data Engineering. So ito po siya while I was doing the installation of each component. I have the Spark, Kafka, oh sorry, Cassandra, yeah. And then an extra video to like give me a sample of making a pipeline, like connecting it all together. Yeah. And then if my computer may be lagging, it's because I have my 10 producers po right here, Python producers. They are all in one group tab po so that they're organized. Producer 1, Producer 2, Producer 3, Producer 4, Producer 10. Ay, kompleto po yan. Wala pong fake dyan. And then, I have what else? I have my consumer po. Ito po siya. Processing all of the producers ng sabay-sabay. Ayan po. And then, yung ano po, SQL shell. Ito po yung, what do you call this? The schema tables. It looks disorganized. Maybe because ano po siya, it's super wide siguro. And then I have my part 2, part 2 Python code. As you can see, ito po, kasi po yung ano po, yung producers ko, with the producer 1, the file name gamit niya is sensor 1, yung producer 2, sensor 2, and so on. So ito po siya. This is as real as it can gets. And then, ayun po. So this is my final project. And let me just check if may na-miss pa ako. Ayun lang naman po. So basically, I have just based off this person po sa YouTube. Like this has everything I need to do this project as well as the sample codes given sa Blackboard ng producer and consumer. So that's all. Thank you.